Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Oakfield, Nova Scotia is a small residential community located in the Halifax Regional Municipality, about 30 kilometers north of downtown Halifax. Situated along the shores of Grand Lake and only minutes from Halifax Stanfield International Airport, Oakfield offers a mix of rural surroundings and convenient access to major transportation routes. The community is known for its natural setting, recreational opportunities, and quiet residential character. The area around Oakfield has a long history of settlement that dates back to the 18th century. As Nova Scotia developed under British colonial administration, settlers established farms and small homesteads throughout the region. The abundance of forests, waterways, and fertile land supported early agricultural activities and helped attract new residents. Over time, transportation improvements connected the area more closely with Halifax and other growing communities. Oakfield remained a relatively small rural settlement for much of its history. Unlike larger centers that developed around industry or ports, the community grew gradually through farming, forestry, and local commerce. Its location near Grand Lake became one of its defining features, with residents relying on the lake for recreation, fishing, and transportation during earlier periods of settlement. One of the most significant changes to the area occurred during the 20th century with the growth of air transportation in Nova Scotia. The development of Halifax Stanfield International Airport nearby brought new employment opportunities and improved accessibility. While the airport is located outside Oakfield itself, its presence has had a major influence on the surrounding communities, supporting economic growth and encouraging residential development. Today, Oakfield is home to an estimated population of roughly 1,000 residents. The community forms part of a larger network of neighboring areas including Enfield, Elmsdale, Wellington, and Fall River. Together, these communities have experienced steady growth as more people choose to live outside the urban core while remaining within commuting distance of Halifax and Dartmouth. Grand Lake is one of the most important natural features in the area. As one of Nova Scotia's largest freshwater lakes, it provides opportunities for boating, swimming, paddling, and fishing throughout the warmer months. The lake also contributes to the scenic character of the community and has helped make Oakfield a desirable place to live. Waterfront properties along the lake are especially sought after and often command higher real estate values than inland homes. Golf enthusiasts may recognize Oakfield as the home of Oakfield Golf and Country Club, one of Nova Scotia's well-known golf destinations. Established in the early 1960s, the club has hosted numerous provincial and national tournaments over the years. Its presence adds to the recreational appeal of the community and attracts visitors from across the region. Housing in Oakfield reflects its growing popularity among families, professionals, and retirees. In recent years, rising demand for homes in communities outside Halifax has contributed to higher property values. Typical detached homes in Oakfield often sell in the range of $600,000 to $900,000, although prices vary significantly depending on lot size, proximity to the lake, and property features. Waterfront homes can sell for considerably more. The community's location near Highway 102 makes travel convenient for residents and visitors alike. This important transportation corridor connects the region to Halifax, Truro, and other parts of Nova Scotia. Easy highway access, combined with proximity to the airport, has helped make Oakfield an attractive location for people who value both accessibility and a more relaxed environment. Despite continued growth throughout the surrounding region, Oakfield has retained much of its small community atmosphere. Residents often cite the area's natural beauty, outdoor recreation, and sense of space as key reasons for choosing to live there. The balance between rural character and modern convenience continues to attract newcomers while helping maintain a strong sense of community identity. With its proximity to Grand Lake, access to transportation networks, and growing appeal among homebuyers, Oakfield continues to be an important part of central Nova Scotia's ongoing development.
Thanks for watching!